24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in every practical sense is drifting at $569,532,210 in an unobtrusive manner. ADA down roughly 4.06% inside the very most recent 24 hours amazingly. Cardano's EMA10 sort of shows a vertical pattern, which explicitly is genuinely critical, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano most certainly truly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, in every practical sense, further appearance how Cardano truly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in an unpretentious manner. 06 January 2024, in this article we will sort of walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, kind of the following week, and for the most part especially attempt to answer these regularly basically got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what basically especially is in every way that really matters. Fundamentally transient cost expectation for Cardano, especially is ADA a very wise speculation, which by and large sort of is genuinely critical. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping essentially profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly in a real sense let us in a real sense explicitly discuss the really current economic situations in a very huge manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in a kind of significant manner. The especially complete exchanging volume sort of really remains at $58,832,899,756, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking in every practical sense, enormous way. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially especially has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, or so they by and large truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally generally has seen a value reduction of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge in a for the most part large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, which in a real sense is very huge. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12, which sort of in a real sense is genuinely critical, which is very huge. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a really descending course for extremely transient in a truly significant manner. As of now, a very broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition sort of for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unobtrusive manner in spite of mainstream thinking. Support basically is a level at which purchasers by and large become all the more actually really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Cardano's EMA10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which merchants generally become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Kind of additional appearance, how yet prior to jumping actually genuinely profound into the ADA specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us for the most part to discuss the very current economic situations. Which by and large is very huge. Following quite are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano, ADA, Cardano execution ADA for the most part has recorded a downtrend, losing 4.06% in kind of absolute most recent 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. The very current worth of Cardano by and large especially is floating at 52 cents, with the exchanging volume of $569,532,210 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, showing how the truly absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $58,832,899,756, truly sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. The truly generally speaking market cap for ADA in every way that really matters, especially is $18,441,514,937 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 13.17% over the course of the week, showing how 06 January 2024. In this article, we will especially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and explicitly in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these regularly basically sought clarification on some things, facts, what sort of basically is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano, sort of is ADA a genuinely wise speculation, which sort of all things considered, is very huge. Cardano value examination ADA cost examination for 06 January 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, in every practical sense, further appearance, how these occasions truly show that the market in a real sense, basically is going in a kind of descending bearing, for especially present moment. We utilize certainly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving extremely normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to by and large break down the future development of the Cardano. Actually especially further appearance how 06 January 2024. In this article we will basically walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and entirely attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what sort of is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Cardano. Generally is ADA a very excellent interest in a for the most part lovely significant manner. The ADA United States dollar moving truly sort of normal union and uniqueness, MACD, marker especially is demonstrating a by and large present moment, fundamentally sell pretty sign, as the MACD line basically is moving underneath, kind of sign line which essentially implies fundamentally bears basically are ruling in the market in a for the most part truly significant manner. While ADA's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty sign basically is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the essentially current worth of Cardano especially is floating at 52 cents, with the exchanging volume of $569,532,210 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $58,832,899,756, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting oversold state.